Hey everyone, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of a chill office, beauty room, clean with me, organize with me. As you can see behind me, it's pretty messy. I've been doing a lot of crafting, working on a lot of projects lately, and when I work on projects, things always get messy. So I just decided today I'm going to spend some time organizing, cleaning this room. The closet back here, which many of you probably saw the makeover video for that when I completely gutted it and put in new shelves and organized it. I have not really touched it since then, which was last summer. So a few months have passed and it's needing to be reorganized again. So I'm going to be organizing a bunch of my crafting supplies as well as some makeup and beauty products. Like I said, there's kind of stuff everywhere right now. Here's what my desk looks like. I have stuff everywhere. And here's the mess that was on the floor behind me. And here's my craft closet, I guess I would call it. It's not terrible, but there's definitely a little bit of reconfiguring that needs to happen. So I'm gonna get a pop in and start cleaning and organizing my office.
The first thing I decided to start with is reorganizing my ribbon. I recently acquired a lot of extra ribbon over the past few months, and I had them in one of the drawers of my desk unit and it just filled up. So I decided it was time to repurpose some different storage boxes and move them to the closet. These black boxes are from IKEA. They're really cheap and I really like using them for organization. So in this first box, I am putting most of my seasonal ribbon and wide, large ribbon. Next, I am organizing my stickers because I wanted to use this other box for the rest of my ribbon, and I am moving my stickers to this pink basket. So at first I started by just literally picking these up and moving them to the basket, and then I realized I really need to spend some time decluttering my stickers because I have so many of them. I am someone who has a terrible habit of buying stickers because I think they're pretty and then I never have anything really to use them for. So everything that I'm pulling out and putting to the side are things that I decided I can let go of. And then I grabbed this smaller pink basket I wasn't using to put any of my larger decal type stickers in. This is a very old piece of nostalgia I found here. So now that this box was emptied, I started putting the rest of my ribbon in here. So this is my smaller ribbon. I was trying to line them all up all nice like I did in the other box, but it wasn't working. So I just kind of tossed them in here and let them do what they needed to do. I purchased this cheap bead organizer on Amazon the other day because I have started working with beads again and I no longer had one of these. So I filled it up with all of my loose beads and doodads that I have been acquiring recently. So I recently started working with resin and I have all these new kind of resin supplies, so I grabbed a bin that I hadn't been using and organized a lot of the resin materials in there. Next, I wanted to spend a little time reorganizing my purse. I was graciously gifted this gorgeous Italian leather handbag from Teddy Blake. I will have all the information and links below in my description box. And I just got this little avocado pouch from the Dollar Tree, so I wanted to switch my other pouch and use that one. I really like smaller handbags. I don't like to carry a lot of crap with me, so this one was absolutely perfect. The inside of the bag is actually pretty spacious. It fits all of my necessities, and I like to use the back pouch to just slide my phone in. So I've got this pouch of my necessities, my wallet, and then I put my sunglasses on top and everything fits perfect. I'm then adding my little pocket back hand sanitizer to the strap as well. I do not own any other bags this color, so I was very excited and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Moving on, I am organizing a bunch of my Cricut vinyl and materials. So I'm just rolling back up all of my vinyl rolls and sorting out the loose pieces. Then I'm spending a little bit of time reorganizing some of these drawers in my closet. Next, I am organizing the shelves in my closet and giving them all a good wipe down. I'm moving all my paints and glues and such from this round basket to the square basket just because there was more room in the square basket and I had some new things to add. I made some labels with my Cricut just like I did in my kitchen if you saw that video. I used removable vinyl for these because I know I will probably end up changing my mind down the road, but I think these look really, really nice on these boxes. Clean this room, I like to make sure I spend a little extra time sanitizing around my desk work area. I turn off my wireless keyboard and just wipe it down really, really well with disinfectant. As you can see from using my mouse, there is some dirt on there. So I disinfect that really well as all of the surfaces there. Now I'm just organizing and cleaning my little makeup corner here. And when I clean, I like to vacuum very last. So first I'm doing my upholstery real quick, and then vacuuming all the floors. And here is the giant garbage bag that I filled up with stuff that I can get rid of, and my declutter pile of random electronics, office, craft supplies that I'm either gonna give to someone, donate, or resell. And here's a look at my clean and tidy office beauty room. It just feels so good and satisfying when this room is freshly cleaned. I feel like it makes it so much easier to get my work done. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like videos about organization, cleaning, home decor, and DIY, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.